and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about this hair of mine, my Blossom style that I got going on. It's fun, it's voluptuous, it's wavy, it's call it crimped, whatever you want. I love it, it's easy, and there are no products, no styling tools used at all whatsoever. I mean, there may be a couple products just depending on what you want to do with it. So I want to elaborate on the whole thing about if you can use products if you want, but there are no tools or anything that I use to achieve this really awesome lioness safari jungle themed hairdo I got going on. It's just wild and free and I love it. It's easy and it honestly gets my day going a lot faster because then I don't have to worry about my hair because I did this last night, guys. So yeah, you do all the prep work the night before and then you reap the rewards the next day. I am going to show you how I braid my hair. And the way I do it, there is a certain way I do it, and there's a reason why I do it the way I do it. I know I said I did it last night, and then I was able to do it today, but there are times where I have done it in the morning, and then I've worn it in the braids all day, and then the next day I'll take them out and have this going on, right? But since I'm going to be wearing it, I like to do the braids a certain way if I know I'm going to be wearing it for the day. Now that falls into place with when I said there are no tools that you use. There are no tools to use. I don't use a crimper, I don't use a curling iron, I don't use any heating or styling product that's gonna damage my hair. I literally get this by air drying my hair. So it's really awesome. It creates a really good, and it stays. I have straight as a board hair. It is so hard for me to curl it and style it and have it stay throughout the day. Not to mention I'm always running around and like blah, craziness, but my hair does not stay whatsoever. And I put product after product on it. The only time I achieve it is when I've gone from damp hair and let it air dry into the form I want it to take. The other thing I said is it was minimal to no products at all. And what I mean by that is, so I did it last night. I sprayed in my spray that I always do if you want to hear about all that and know my hair routine. I actually did a video on it and I will have it linked. You know the drill, somewhere here and here and here, but it'll be a link there for you to click on. You can check it out. But I did that and literally that's all I do after I wash it. So I took my shower, washed my hair, put my spray product in that I always love to put in, and then I braided, got it to where I wanted it, and slept on it all night, and then pulled it out this morning. Okay guys, so seriously, enough chit chat. Let's get over to yesterday and check out what I did to accumulate this awesome hair. I'm literally whispering and I'm in my boys' bathroom because it's like midnight. I got super swamped today. Didn't get a chance to film. My husband's sleeping and I'm like, okay, I have to get this done so I can give you the aftermath and everything. So today's the look I'm going to be sleeping on, but I'm also going to show you what to do it and wear it out. I washed my hair. I'm ready to take it out of the towel and I'm going to put my product in it. You can either not do anything to it or you can use a spray or mousse or whatever you want to use. But literally that's going to be the only thing that I do to give it that really volumized, curvy look. And then I'll get going with the braids. of important. I need to figure out where my part's going to be, and it's going to all depend because I'm going to be putting my hair into braids and it's going to stay in that form. It all matters, trust me, on where. So if I know I'm going to be like, oh hey, I'm going to wear it down the middle, I'm not in the mood for bangs, which I can do because I don't have bangs, I will part it down the middle. But if I'm feeling like I kind of want like a side swoop, whether you go to the left or the right, it's like, then I'm going to take it and I'm going to get my hair the way I want it to go. And trust me, you guys need to figure this out before you start braiding because it's not going to come out unless you wash your hair again. Okay, so for this video, I've chosen to do a right part, and I'm going to actually go from the front because I want this one to be the one most controlled with the hold that it's going to give, if that makes sense. And then we're going to do the whole entire hair. actually have 14 braids that I did. I didn't go really small, I'm kind of like at a medium, so it's basically for whatever volume you're looking for. If you want the really, really tight waves, you want to go really small on your braids. If you want the bigger, flowier waves, then you're going to do bigger braids, maybe do 1 or 2. I did 14, so it's going to be in the mediums. And then of course my hair is really long, as you can see. So if you have long hair, sometimes by the time you get done with one side and you're going, some of the hair starts to dry, so you can always take a squirt bottle and just damp it. You don't want it soaking wet. if you're going to bed or whatever, but definitely use a spray bottle and just damp it. If you think to, I honestly didn't use it. It's still gonna crimp and give me the look I'm looking for, but you can use that as an option. So now I'm actually gonna go to sleep. So I will just leave it like this. And yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep like this. And sleep on it, and then we'll check on it in the morning. But also there are days where I do it for the day, so I'll do this in the morning time. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how I put it up if I'm actually going to be running around. I don't just leave it like this. Okay guys, so it's morning time and I've already done my makeup. I'm all ready. I love doing my hair like this, especially for days when I know I'm gonna be like running around. I'm not gonna have a lot of time, and because my hair is gonna be already done, all I have to do is take it out, which is awesome. But another reason is too, when I do my makeup, it's already pulled back, so that's why I do my makeup first before that. And yeah, so let's get these braids out. Okay, so as you can see, I started from the very back braids and worked my way. I did one side and then I did the other side, and I did it from the back to the front. I just find it's easier that way, so you're not like searching for your braids and stuff. And then after, you could see all I did was just kind of go in through my scalp. I am not gonna brush it out with my fingers or anything. I don't want it to get super staticky or anything like that. Like, this is literally the only time I'm gonna play with it, just to give it a little bit of volume and help it kind of fall together. And yeah, so that is the end result. I'm super happy. And again, the waves are the size that I wanted them, which is why I did medium braids. And yeah, I'm happy with it. Looks good. So guys, if you find, especially if you sleep on it, and sometimes you'll get these wispies. So like you'll have obviously a little bit like up top, or if there's too many, get a little bit of mousse or a product that you like, hair, whatever, and just put it on before you take the braids out and just kind of let it dry and stuff. And then that way it'll actually couple the wispies or flyaways or anything you have like that. I didn't do anything other than what I showed you last night. I'm a little bit of a wild child, so I kind of like it wild. Okay guys, so that is it. That is how I achieved my look. Again, I went with the medium braids because that's what's giving me the volume that I want. The smaller you go, the more volume you're gonna have. The bigger you go, the less volume you're gonna have. So it's just kind of like, what are you looking for? Are you looking for like a beach wavy look or an actual like crimped out like 80s, hey, let's go party it up? Me, I'm all about the volume. That's just me. Ryan hates it, but hey, you know what? You can't win them all. As always, guys, do not forget to check in the comments below. I will have everything I used in this video linked down there for you to check it out. And please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification because that's what notifies you whenever I upload a brand new video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Gave you some tips and tricks. Maybe he's never seen it. Maybe you have. Who knows? But I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.